Smart Blood Bank Android application. This project creates a network of people who can support one another in times of need. When the administrator accesses the whole database of the blood bank management system, this program promptly changes the information on donors. The existing system have a difficulty of insufficient number of donors. Our proposed method provides user can locate different volunteer blood donors and blood banks in their locality and then request for the blood in case of emergency. The user will be able to view information about the different blood groups and the information of the registered user who need blood in case of emergency and the blood donors who wish to donate blood when required. The modules are display page, login, sign up, check database, donor, receiver, display information. Some screenshots from our project. The donor get themselves registered through this improved mission. In case of emergency requirement,